Hey everyone, Yaniv Hoffman here, and today I'm super excited because it's 1st of September and I'm announcing the giveaways, the cool giveaways that I promised you all. So we will have, just as a reminder, 5 winners at the starter package for Hacker Arise in OTW school. We'll get it for free, a $600 pack, no fee. And the next 5 winners will win a 30% discount on anything in the Hacker Arise shop. It can be courses, it can be books, it can be PDFs, it can be anything in the shop. Merchandise can pick. With that said, I want to show you something. I'm in beautiful Hong Kong. You can see near the harbor. This is the convention center in Hong Kong, in a meeting room, capturing this for you. So let's get started. Okay, so we use a special tool for that. I want to do it here with you so nobody will say I cheated or I picked whoever I wanted. It's clearly random, guys. So I'm putting a link for the video. This is the giveaway video, loading all of the comments as we ask. We want to have 5 winners first, no duplications. And we can see here all the comments before we go for the lottery here. You can see all the comments, everyone that commented. Thank you so much, by the way. I love to see all of the comments. It really fills my heart, and this is why I'm doing it. So I'm really happy you guys are enjoying. With that said, enough talking. Let's start. The winners are... Ta-da! So these are the winners of the first lottery. 5 free starter package courses in Hacker Arise School of OTW. Please, the winner, send me a message through the YouTube platform. Then I will ask you for more information to validate, and we continue from there. I will give you a special codes to enter the school and get your free course. Okay, and now let's move to the next 5 winners for the 30% discount. We see all of the comments are here. So I don't touch anything, I don't edit, I don't choose, it's randomly picked. And here we go. Excellent. So congratulations for these winners and all winners. These winners won, again, 30% discount in anything in Hacker Arise shop. So again, like before, reach me out through the platform and I will give you the next instructions. And for everyone, still don't be disappointed. There is a discount of 20% for everyone and everything in the Hacker Arise shop. Just use the coupon Yaniv, Y-A-N-I-V. You can see it on the screen. You will see it in the description, and you can get 20% on everything as well. So everyone are getting something today. So congratulations for all the winners, and thank you again for everyone that is watching, that is supporting, that give feedback, bad or good, it doesn't matter. I learn from it. I love you all, and very soon we are reaching 50,000 subscribers. I will give more giveaways, so share the videos, like them, comment, recommend to your friends, continue to watch, continue to support. Love you all. Thank you very much. See you soon.